Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
She walked to school yesterday. They will have finished dinner by 7 p.m. Have you ever gone to New York? He has spoken English since he was a child. By next year, they will have completed the project. She was reading the book when I arrived. How long have you known him? They are going to the gym at the moment. Will he go to the party tonight? By the time you arrive, we will have left. She hasn't finished her homework yet. Did it snow when you woke up? I haven't seen her since we graduated. They were watching TV when we called them. We will travel to Spain next summer. He will have lived in London for 5 years by 2025. She always does her homework on time. We will have moved to the new house by next month. Have they made any friends yet? He feels tired after the long journey. They were waiting for her outside the cinema. I lost my keys, so I couldn't get in. Has she heard the news? They have visited the city before. We will arrive at the hotel by 9 p.m. By the time he wakes up, she will have left. Have you seen the doctor yet? He listens to the radio while he studies. They will have won the game by the end of the hour. She hasn't seen her best friend in years. I would call him if I were you. Before they moved, they had lived in that house for 10 years. If it rains, we will stay indoors. She will ride her bike to school tomorrow if it's sunny. By 2020, he had worked as a teacher for 25 years. If I had enough money, I'd buy a new car. We will have left by the time you get here. How long had you waited for me when I finally arrived? By next month, we will have finished our course. If she passes the test, she will be very happy. He always drinks a cup of coffee before starting work. They had already gone to the museum before you suggested it. Have you ever gone skydiving? She will move to Japan before she starts her new job. If it rains tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. Before the concert begins, the audience will have found their seats. He will have left by the time we arrive at the party. They will compete in the championship if they win tomorrow's match. I call her as soon as I hear the news.
Thanks for watching.